Oh, hello everyone. Welcome on board the Sketchcan caravan, where you can learn to draw a sailing boat. This kind of boat has big sails which catch the wind and move the boat across the water. Let's start by drawing the hull. This is the part of the boat that carries the people and everything they need for their journey. We're going to use a trapezium shape for this. At the bottom of your page, draw one long line. On each end, draw a short line that slants up and out. And then join those two short lines with another long line. That's the hull of the boat. And you can add some little windows in there. Let's use 3 little circles. One line that goes all the way around. Inside the hull, sometimes you have a bedroom or a little kitchen or a dining room. We'll need a roof on top to stop the water going in. So starting at the front of the boat, which is called the bow, we're going to draw a long sloping line, like the edge of a triangle, going up, 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 and then stop just above that last window and draw a line down. The people can walk through a little door and down some steps from this end. Let's draw a little window in the roof to let the light in. A little lying down rectangle. There. Every sailing boat needs a mast. This is the tall pole in the middle of the boat that holds the sails. So let's start somewhere in the middle of that roof, and we're going to go up and up and up as high as you can go on your page. They're very tall. And then we're going to come back down the other side very close to make it thin, so we can colour that in later. There's another stick that pokes out towards the back of the boat. This is called the boom. And this pole is attached to the mast and it holds the mainsail onto the boat. And to make the mainsail, we're going to start at the top. So you need to start up here and you're going to draw all the way down to the end of the boom over here. And that makes a triangle-shaped sail. Let's try that with our pencils. Starting at the top, slide all the way down to the end of the boom. The boom helps to move the sail in different directions. It's attached to the mast with some clips, so let's draw a few little lines down the side of the mainsail to show it's clipped onto the mast. On the other side of the mast there is another sail. It's a bit smaller, this one, and it's called a jib. This sail is attached to the boat with ropes. Let's draw the sail first. You need to start a bit lower down than the other one. So starting at the top, you're going to slide down this way, along the bottom, and back up to the top. Let's try it with our pencils. Slide down. Straight line back, and another straight line all the way up to meet the top. It looks like it's hanging in mid-air, so we need to attach it to the boat. So let's draw one rope attaching to the top of the mast, one rope attaching to the bottom of the mast, and one rope attaching to the bow of the boat at the front. There. Let's draw a steering wheel on our boat. So you need quite a big circle, one line that goes all the way around. You can add a bit of detail on your wheel by drawing some lines that go across, a bit like a snowflake. And on the end of those you can put some little dots. These little knobbly bits give the pilot of the sailing boat something to grip onto in case it's really windy and there are big waves. And just in case it starts to rain, we need a little roof for the pilot. So we're going to draw a line that comes up at the back and over the top of the steering wheel and down to join the roof. This is called the cockpit, just like in an aeroplane. I think it's time to set sail. This drawing tutorial is dedicated to my friends Carl and Gisela, who love to sail their boat around the Greek islands in the summer holidays. To support this project, like and subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks.